My name is Sophie Boisvert, and I am Vice President of Resources and Industry at Norda Stelo, as well as Vice President of the new Norda Stelo Solution Division, which is responsible for Stelar's development. Very early in my career, I had the chance to gain, and I continue, a deep understanding in materials science, particularly the behavior of materials in response to various types of solicitation, mechanical, electrical, chemical. In fact, following my years at the former Norda Technology Center, which had a team of internal specialists supporting different industrial sectors like mining and metals operation, I had the idea to create a similar group within an engineering consulting firm to be open to a variety of clients, to offer a failure analysis service, degradation and engineering studies, integrity and reliability assessment, and to provide the most complete toolbox to ensure the performance of assets. Waking up one morning, I said to myself, why not capture the information that I have in my head, in my area of expertise, and train a computer to learn how to help make a diagnosis or failure and lifespan prediction. Or at least train the computer to signal a critical situation while specialists still have time to intervene. This can also be useful for all my colleagues who do assessment of buildings, docks, and bridges. Stelar first serves as a virtual collective memory. Then, by structuring data, we bring in models for assessing health status and aging, either standard models that we know or models developed from training AI algorithms. Then digital twins can be created from existing data and models to better predict the behavior of the assets in all conditions. These models justify the budget for the maintenance of assets and the contribution of the asset finally on the planet. Stelar becomes an essential decision support tool in an industry or organization responsible for a fleet of assets or infrastructure.